everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome back. Today we're doing corned beef, right? So we're doing a collab video with the some other YouTubers, right? And I'm gonna leave their link down below. Check them out, they're doing their thing. So I'm just doing a classic, right? I'm doing the classic corned beef, cabbage, and potatoes. So it's first thing in the morning, and I'm gonna get that into the crock pot, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, a liner, right? This saves up big time with cleanup, right? As you just kind of pick the bag up and take everything and throw it away, right? All right, so we got our liner, right? All right, guys, so normally I would fill this up all the way with water, right? Fill up the meat, take it and cook it off. This time, I'm just gonna put it in the slow cooker by itself. I'm gonna put just maybe just a little bit of water, just so that the seasoning pack has something to, you know, float around in. But other than that, yeah, and we're gonna put our onion and our garlic. So let's just do that now. Got a couple of pieces of garlic. I've never put garlic in with our beef, but I'm doing it today. And let me just cut this down real quick. And we're doing some onion. Now, is it gonna make a difference? Is it not gonna taste like corned beef anymore? I don't know, right? But we're gonna go in with our packet, right? We're just gonna sprinkle it around, just around the side here. On top. And guys, just a little bit of water. Just a little bit, not too much. Because this should make its own juices, right? I'd say that's probably a quarter cup, maybe a half a cup. All right, guys, so now that's it, we're done, right? It's first thing in the morning, I'm going to go to work. We'll see this in 10 hours, right? So we're going to set this on our lowest setting for 10 hours. And we'll be back when we get home from work. All right, guys, so it's been 10 hours. We haven't opened this thing. I've only looked through the glass. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so look how much juice is in here. Remember when we started, we had like what? A quarter of a cup of water that we put in here. Here's our onions and our garlic. Everything's all cooked out, right? All right, let's see what our meat. Hopefully this meat just doesn't fall apart on us. No, it doesn't. I think I should be able to pick this up and pull it out and put it on a cutting board. So let's see if we could do this without destroying the meat. Oh, you gotta be careful here. That's not gonna work. All right, so we'll use this. See if we can lift it up and out. Where I'm at. There we go, there we go, there we go. Nice. All right, I'm gonna flip this over and we'll get this out and get the cutting board flat on the surface here. All right, guys, so here's our meat. Now, I'm just curious. I want to see what our fat side looks like, right? Yeah, look at that. And I'm going to cut it from this side, right? You know what? Let's just know which way the grains are going. The grains are going this way. So we want to cut down this way. Right? So we want to cut this way. Now, we're going to just take a quick little taste here. Right? This is good. Tastes like corned beef. Now I'm going to let this sit for just about 15 minutes or so before we cut into it. And I think our potatoes are done right now. Hold on. All right, guys, so look at our potatoes. Right, they're nice and brown. Go right through with a toothpick. Guys, 30 minutes, 400 degrees. Not bad. I'm gonna just sit this on the side. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice little slice. See what we got. All right, this guy's in. It's gonna be good tonight. All right, let's take a quick look at this. All right, guys, look at that. Nice and juicy. And that's hot. I'm gonna plate this up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so let's give this a taste. Actually, I was already in there. Guys, this came out so good. It was so good. Gotta leave our potatoes. Nice and everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.